According to a recent study by NextMove Strategy Consulting, the global ERP software market is on track to reach a staggering $68 billion by the year 2030. Driving this surge is the escalating demand from the manufacturing industry, small and medium-scale enterprises, and the corporate sector. The need for streamlined processes and efficient management systems is propelling the global market forward. However, it's not all smooth sailing. The market faces challenges such as the availability of open-source applications and high maintenance costs, which are anticipated to cast a shadow on its growth. But amidst challenges arise opportunities. The emergence of large enterprises and the booming BFSI sector are catalysts that fuel the demand for efficient ERP solutions, acting as driving forces behind the market's growth throughout the forecast period. Geographically, North America has been a stronghold in the global ERP software market, dominating in the past and expected to continue this trend. The presence of a multitude of ERP software traders contributes significantly to the region's continued dominance. On the flip side of the globe, Asia-Pacific is gearing up for substantial growth, projected to have the highest CAGR values in the global ERP software market throughout the forecast period. Now let's talk about the key players shaping the industry. The ERP software market is fiercely competitive and hosts major players like Oracle Corporation, Sage Software Solutions, Infor, Workday, and many more. Thank you for joining us. Stay connected for further insights and updates on the dynamic evolution of ERP software and its transformative impact on the ICT and media industry.